In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner and select Files. Now to look for your audio one, select Audio at the top. Click on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, you need to hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Then hit Gallery section and to add a video file, click on it here. If you can't find it here, select Folders, look for your file, and when you find it, click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!